Sink drain clogs caused by hard water deposits are a total pain and can slow down your whole kitchen routine fast. So, here's the deal. Hard water makes mineral deposits build up inside your pipes over time, which is what actually causes the clog. To keep your sink draining smooth, start by pouring boiling water down the drain once a week to help break down some of that stuff. You can also use a mixture of white vinegar and baking soda. Just dump half a cup of baking soda in, then a cup of vinegar, let it fizz for like 15 minutes, then rinse with hot water. Avoid pouring grease or coffee grounds down the drain because they only add to the problem. If you notice water pooling, try using a plunger or a drain snake to clear out whatever's stuck. Also, installing a water softener system can seriously reduce those mineral buildups in the long run. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Don't wait until the clog is super bad to do anything. And if you're ever unsure, calling a pro early can save you from a costly headache later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hard water drain clogs is ignoring small, slow drains. They figure it will clear itself, but it usually just gets worse. Fix that by doing regular drain cleanings and not waiting for a full clog. Another common issue is using harsh chemical drain cleaners, which might seem like a quick fix, but actually damage your pipes and make things worse in the long term. Stick to natural methods or mechanical tools instead. The third problem is neglecting to check if their home has hard water in the first place. Knowing this helps you take preventative steps like adding a water softener or doing frequent pipe cleanings before buildup gets out of control. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know how to handle stuff like hard water clogs without ripping you off. Plus, it gives contractors a way to get real work from people in their area who actually need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone.